I didn't plan on reviewing the Xtreme Gaming PC X1, Intel Core i7, but after using it I had to say something. You know how frustrating it is when you're waiting for your computer to boot up or load apps, and just when you think things are going to be a drag, they start performing like a dream. I'm someone who's always on the lookout for a good deal, especially when it comes to PC gaming systems. If you're a gamer, content creator, student, or even just someone who needs a reliable computer for everyday tasks, this thing is for you. It's designed to give you smooth performance, fast multitasking, and solid daily use, all while keeping your cool under pressure. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what makes the Xtreme Gaming PC X1 so special? Well, here's the thing, it's not just about throwing a bunch of components together. These three features really stood out to me as game changers: ultra-fast storage, powerful graphics, and an efficient cooling system. First off, let's talk about that 1TB ultra-fast SSD. Look, I've had some slow hard drives in my time, but this thing is like a speed demon on steroids. It means you can boot up Windows, launch your favorite apps, or jump into the middle of a gaming session without any lag or wait times. That's fast, right there. Next up, we have the GeForce RTX 3050, Real Talk. This graphics card delivers some serious visuals and performance for its price point. Whether you're playing competitive games, exploring open worlds, or just messing around with creative software, this thing handles it like a pro. Smooth frame rates, powerful performance, what more could you want? Last but certainly not least, we have the cooling system itself. I was expecting some heat to come out of nowhere at some point, but instead, I get strong airflow and reliable thermal performance under sustained workloads. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Now, after using this thing for a while, my verdict is in: if you're in the market for a powerful gaming desktop that won't break the bank, fairly, I'd say go for it. The price point might feel a bit steep to some of you, but when you factor in the included free keyboard and mouse, the overall value starts to make more sense. One thing that keeps me from giving this a perfect score is that the cable management system could be better. I mean, come on, who wants to deal with a mess of cables all over their gaming rig? It's a minor quibble, but it's something to keep in mind if you're particular about keeping things tidy. Hit that subscribe button if you're tired of buying things that disappoint. I've got you. Grab it through the link below. Thanks for hanging out, see you next week.